If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To set the format properties for a dropdown or text field in a form in Acrobat, open a form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. If you added a dropdown or text field to a form, then double-click the field to open either the dropdown properties or text field properties dialog boxes, respectively. Then click the Format tab in either dialog box to format the text user's input into the field. To select the formatting to apply to entries made within the form field, select a data type choice from the Select Format category dropdown. The choices are None, which is the default choice, Number, Percentage, Date, Time, Special, and Custom. To format the field as a number field, select the Number choice from the Select Format category dropdown to show the number options area below it. To select the number of decimal places to display in the field, use the Decimal Places dropdown. To select the comma and period separator style to apply to number values in the field, use the Separator Style dropdown. To apply a currency symbol to the field, choose one from the Currency Symbol dropdown. To set the position of the selected currency symbol, use the Symbol Location dropdown. To show negative number values in parentheses and/or red text, check the Show Parentheses and/or the Use Red Text checkboxes respectively. The example of current format field shows how the current formatting choices make number values appear in the field. To format the field as a percentage, select the Percentage choice from the Select Format category dropdown to show the percentage options area below it. To set the number of decimal places to show in the field, use the Decimal Places dropdown. To select the desired comma and period separator style to apply to values within this field, use the Separator Style dropdown. To format the field as a date or date and time, select the Date choice from the Select Format category dropdown to show the Date options area below it. Then select the date or date and time format to apply from the Date options list. To create a custom date format, choose the Custom choice at the bottom of the list of choices, and then enter a custom date format into the field that then appears below the list. Separately, note that if you select the Date field choice from the Add Form Components list in the Prepare a Form panel, Acrobat simply adds the field as a text field with the Date format choice pre-selected for you. Date fields are just a formatted version of a text field. To format the field as time, select the Time choice from the Select Format category dropdown to show the Time options area below it. Then select the Time format to apply from the Time options list. To create a custom time format, choose the Custom choice at the bottom of the list, and then enter a custom time format into the field that appears below the list. To format the field as zip or postal codes, phone numbers, social security numbers, or to create your own custom format, select the Special choice from the Select Format category dropdown to show the Special options area below it. Then select the special format to apply from the listing shown in the Special options area. To create a custom special format, choose the Arbitrary Mask choice at the bottom of the list of choices, and then enter a custom format into the field that appears below the list. To format the field using a JavaScript to apply custom formatting and keystroke validation, select the Custom choice from the Select Format category dropdown to show the Custom Options area below it. Click the Edit button next to the Custom Format Script field to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. Type a JavaScript into the text field or copy and paste a JavaScript into the text field. Then click the OK button when finished. You can also click the Edit button next to the Custom Keystroke Script field to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. Then type a JavaScript into the text field here, or copy and paste a JavaScript into the text field. Then click the OK button when finished. You can then click the Close button in the Properties dialog box when finished. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.